Happy birthday to you. More pastor?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Lisurat igumon ay sa mga bago.
Ay, lolisod.
Music. Ha? Wala pa gani, mag-blow na, okay? Hindi, si Jamia o si Kuan, kaya naman dito.
Hindi sila sa kapila. Kasi nila.
Pawi, kain ka muna ng biko. May kutsinta ako. Saan ko nilagay? Na siguro sa sakyanan talaga. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, blow.
Somewhere.
Happy birthday,
Samuel.
Yay!
Samuel.
Samuel!
Thank you, Ate Jana. Parang share vlog.
Yes!
Tumawa naman. Wala na talaga kami time.
Happy birthday, Samuel!
Okay.
Happy birthday, Samuel. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Samuel.
Salamat, Ate Jana.
Manalo pa daw na.
Nakapag-vlog.
Maganda yung pa-birthday ni Samuel.
Nanalo pala.
Nanalo.
Blow, blow. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow, blow. Blow, Samuel. Wait. Patrick.
Patrick's first. Okay, second.
Cardinal, blow.
You're putting saliva on the
Blow. Bawal dalawa.
So hard.
Happy birthday to you. I put this to open my birthday to
Wow, ka-brave.
Oh, cut the cake!
Cut the cake!
It's still singing. Oh yes, let's
Ah, still moving. Oo nga, kumakanta pa.
Nabasating yung cake.
Matuyo yan, kasi malakas yung hangin.
I'm gonna use it. Trying to inform me what.
No! cheese is...
I like my cheese drippy, bro.
I like my cheese drippy, bro. Yun eh. Mami ko na nag-bake nito? Itong wiko?
Give me a bro! Give me. Ikaw lagi. Okay, I'm sorry.
Who want to eat the cake, baby? I'll be the one to.
Bro, that's not insulting us anymore. Hello? Guys,
Gusto talaga doon sa dagat. May damit ka ba, mami? Doon. Pamigo.
Larina! Larina!
Nabasa na? Mabilis pa naman yung nanginginig sa lamig. Ang nagsamot.
Uy, dalaga na. Pagkawanan.
Sige nga rin kong tanaw. Sige balik-balik na mo dres, ma'am. Sorry. Kana sa unang kaluha nga. Kana bang nagsanga-sanga nga lubi? Gamay pa kayo na sa una. Puro na, puti ng taas sa.
Nina, let's take a photo of you, Jamia and Cardel. Cardel in the middle because Cardel is the... Uy, asa makatanaw? The Holy Rose. Jamia, go next to Cardel. Wala ang birthday. 1, 2, Cardel. Smile!
Pero masaya, di ba? Sige mo, summer na naman.
Pero at least walang kaming sakit-sakit ngayon.
Oo, di ba? Mabuti.
No, di ba may sipon-sipon ka? Meron din kami noon, sipon-sipon. Kaya ano yan, kay Kim? Kay Kim. Happy birthday ni Kim. Oo.
Ang cute eh.
Cutesy patootsy. Wait, why is it red? To stop.
Removing time. You eat the spaghetti? You finished?
Rina, Nina, at Romistoff, Ninya, Zarina, Ate Shima, and Ate Ann. I really appreciate it. I can't open it fully. Okay, just kidding. Ooh, that's true. I am a Capricorn. Capricorn.
What are you going to
That's-
say?
Thanks, Nate and Tita Nisan. I like it. For the head pillow, water bottle, and thank you, Eliza, for the bag, and thank you, Cardell, for the Lego, and thank you, Kuya Hassan and Ate Carissa, for the card with money. Thank you, Tita Bing, for the sweater, and thank you Ate Steph for the sweater also. Thank you Julian for the bag and the shirt. Thank you Jamia for the bag and stuff inside and the cake. Thank you Jari for the water bottle, lamp, and all stuff, yeah. And thank you for the Stitch plushie and the water bottle. And thank you, Kim, for the Squishmallow and the dress. And thank you for coming to my birthday, Samuel, and happy birthday again. And thank you guys for coming to my birthday. I really appreciate all the gifts and hope you come to my next birthday. Yippee!